Hi everyone, welcome to class. So today we're going to keep talking about the International Phonetic Alphabet. So here we have the complete consonant inventory. As you can see, there are many sounds represented here. These are actually all of the consonants that human speech can make. For the purposes of our class, we will be focusing on North American English consonants only. And so you can see a big reduction here in our consonants. So just a reminder, the top part of the chart is the place of articulation in which the sounds are made. And so, for example, the bilabial sounds, for example, the P and the B, both your upper and your lower lip are needed to make that sound. And so again, the alveolar sounds, the T and the D, if you notice where your tongue is during those two sounds, it's sort of towards the back of your teeth in the alveolar ridge, and so that's considered an alveolar sound. The left part of the sound is the manner of articulation, and so last time we went over stop sounds, and so stop sounds are sounds that are made when the airflow is completely blocked through an articulator. For example, the P and the B, you're sort of holding the air in your mouth, and it isn't until you release that air that the sound is produced. Try the P, for example. Sometimes they're considered plosives, and that's because the air sort of bursts when you release your articulators. But today we will be going through the fricatives. So, where nasal and stop consonants involve complete blockage of the vocal tract, fricative sounds involve only partial blockage of the vocal tract, and so the air is really forced through a narrow channel. For example, if we make the F sound, you are forcing the air to go in between your upper teeth and your bottom, your lower lip. And so that's a narrow passage. Pay particular attention to where on the chart consonants are. In this chart, for example, the top sounds are the voiceless sounds. So if you put your hand over your throat and make an F sound, you'll notice there that your throat isn't vibrating, and so that means that it's voiceless. However, if we put our hand again and make a V sound, your hand will notice this vibration, and that is a voice sound. And so the F and the V are made in the exact same manner, and they're also in the using the exact same articulators. So your bottom lip and your upper teeth. However, the pure difference between those two sounds are whether your vocal folds are vibrating or not. So that's really important for us to pay attention to. So these sounds, these fricatives, are sounds that are map onto the letters of the alphabet. And so I won't be going through those as intensely as I will the new sounds. So these five, same sound they would make in the alphabet, they make on the IPA. So an F, for example, makes a F as in fish, an S makes a S as in snake, H as in horse, so on and so forth. These four symbols, are new to you, and so dental fricatives are those that you need your teeth to make. And so this top sound is a theta. theta is I guess we can think of it as a th, so as in think. And so your tongue is placed on your upper teeth, which is why it's a dental. The voiced th is this bottom one, and so if you say the word this and you put your hand over your throat, you'll notice that it is voiced. On the palatal side, this top squiggly S-looking thing, that produces the sh as in shoe sound. And so this bottom one, if you turn on your voice, zh, is this, I guess it sort of looks like a 3, you could say. So that's this bottom symbol. Here again is the complete list of fricatives that we don't necessarily need, but I do want you to be aware that they are there. So I want you to take a small quiz now and see if you can tell me which fricative symbol is needed for each of these words.